Hey guys, Justin here, and I've got a box here to open up from Bloom City Organics. I saw a little ad that they ran on Instagram saying, hey, try out our organic box and this and that, you can apply here. I sent in my little application, and hey, they chose me to show this to you guys. So, pretty cool, pretty cool. It's supposed to be an entire nutrient system for 4 to 8 plants, 16-week cycle, 8 weeks veg, 8 weeks bloom, which is perfect. That's usually about what I do. I'm a little confused on the 4 to 8 plants part because that is a big variance. It's like twice as much. So I don't know if it means just by size, like 4 small plants, 8 or 4 big plants, 8 small plants, or what that is. I'm sure there'll be some more info in here, but yeah, pretty cool. Says I'm a genius. That's always good. So let's go ahead and open this up. You guys know I don't usually use organics, so this is going to be something pretty new for me. I've used organics before, made super soil, and did that. Let's see what we got in here. I want to say thanks. What do we got here? Plant your crop, fertilize and water once a week. It has a little like instruction booklet, I guess you would say, on how to grow your crop. Tells you why to grow organic a little bit, and then chemical fertilizer. I don't like the word chemical fertilizer in there really, because it's really just salt, but hey, organic people like to do stuff like that to the salt people. But that's alright, I'm not going to judge them for it. We'll see what else is in here. Get ready checklist. Get your 4 or 5 gallon pots. Get the right soil. Let's see what soil it says to use here. Fill 4 or 5 gallon pots. Require 2.5 to 3 cubic feet of soil. Potting soil available at your local garden store. Ooh, they should really be a little more descriptive on that and say, don't fucking buy Miracle-Gro. Those fucking bastards, don't buy Miracle-Gro. And most of the stuff at I don't know if you call Home Depot a gardening store, but most of the stuff there I wouldn't use. So definitely go to your local garden store and not a box garden store for your soil. And then get 4 plant starts is what they say. So let's see what we got in here. Ooh, wow. Boost. Biologically enhanced soil conditioner. Boost once a week as instructed. Contains a blend of beneficial bacillus bacteria with plant extracts of yucca, something else I don't know, and another thing that is basically kelp that I can't pronounce. Oh wow, cool. Little measuring cup. That'll be helpful. It's supposed to be like a whole kit, like everything you need basically, except for the soil and the pots and the plants. Let's see if I can get this out of here. It's almost like opening up an MRE. We got here organic nutrient system 532. This is the Grow nutrients, little bag of nutrients here. Gives you the instructions on the back. Sprinkle on the soil. Oh, you sprinkle it on the soil? You don't mix it in the soil? Wow, that's cool. Actually, not having to mix things into the soil is going to be really convenient. Just being able to top dress. So that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at this one. This is going to be the Bloom. We got 454. Now I'm gonna have to, I don't know, man. This is gonna be crazy because these numbers are about what I use now, but then I also use a bunch of other shit on top of that. So, man, I'm not really sure what to do with this. I mean, I guess I'll try it as is, and if it needs a little bit of help or something, we'll see if it works just out of the box. But I really, really like bloom boosters. Like, really, really like bloom boosters, and I don't see a bloom booster in this kit. So, I don't know. We'll have to try it out and see how it works. But so far, it's a pretty cool looking kit. I mean, if you're looking for a way to grow organically, and you don't want to mix a bunch of soil, you don't have room to mix your soil and cook it for 2 months and all that good stuff, this might actually be a pretty good option. As long as the results are good, which we'll see once I start using it here. I'll probably use it on the Jedi Punch and the Fader Actual is probably what I'll use it on. But we'll see. We'll see. I might do some cuts, so I just get clones and do it that way. But yeah, pretty cool. I really want to check out this Boost though, soil conditioner. But pretty cool kit overall, guys. Thanks to Bloom City for sending this out to me. I will definitely put this to good use here pretty soon, and see if we can grow some weed organically. And then I can see if it actually tastes a little different, you know? Everybody says, oh, I can taste that it's organic, I can taste when it's not, which I think is complete bullshit most of the time. But, you know, people have their beliefs. But we got Bloom City in the house. Check it out if you guys want to check them out. Links in the description. I'm not getting I'm not like sponsored. I'm not making money or anything off of this. They just sent me this free box to make a video. That's really about it. So other than that, that's pretty much it for this update, guys. Until next time, happy growing.